Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Roblox account on a different device. It's actually quite simple. You don't transfer an account. Instead, you just log in on any new device you wish to use. This means your account can be active on several devices at once, giving you flexibility. Just make sure you have your correct username and password handy before you begin the process. To get started, first download the Roblox application from your device's app store, whether it's for a phone, tablet, or computer. Once installed, open the app and you'll see options to either sign up or log in. Choose the Login button. Then, carefully type in your unique Roblox username and your corresponding password into the provided spaces. Double-check for any typos before proceeding. Keeping your account secure is super important. I highly recommend enabling two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of protection to your login process. This feature helps prevent unauthorized access, even if someone knows your password. Remember, your password is for your eyes only. Never share it with anyone. Also, always log out of your account when using public or shared computers. Sometimes, you might run into a small hiccup. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a Forgot Password link on the login screen that can help you reset it. Also, always check your internet connection if you're having trouble logging in. A stable connection is key. For any persistent issues or more complex problems, reaching out to Roblox's official support team is always the best next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.